The secret to earning a stable income online is not by having one big income stream, but by having multiple ones and stable. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about 5 of my income streams and tell you a little bit of insight on how you can be building yours too. An income stream can be a big one or a small one, but every income stream is an addition to your monthly or overall income, so I recommend that you build enough or as many as your niche lets you. Now, I don't mean losing a lot of time to build income streams that can only bring you a few dollars, but build income streams that have the possibility of growth in the future, and the best ones to build are those that you can make passive income from in the future, and the most common of this sort are the digital products. Now, let me share 5 of my income streams that I have at the moment. Keep in mind they're not huge earning ones yet, but they sure have the potential of becoming that. My first income stream comes from my social media freelance services that I have on my website right now. I started freelancing online a little under 2 years ago. I started with Fiverr by doing social media marketing on Instagram mostly, but also Pinterest. Then I created a landing page for my Pinterest VA services. And then I ended up creating my own website with Bluehost and WordPress so I could host all my landing pages for all my services. And the most important part of why I wanted to have a website for my business is obviously to make money in other ways like Adsense, affiliate marketing, and so on. But the most important thing for me is that I could share knowledge with the people through a blog, and that way I could attract them back to my content, to my services, and gain more clients. So now people can find my services on my website. They can just go fill out a simple form or questionnaire and get in contact with me so I can help them with their needs. So what I enjoy most about this is that through my freelance services, I can talk to people one-on-one and help them exactly with their needs. It's not like selling a digital product, even though I'm going to do this in the future as well. But it helps you understand the client's exact problem, and it's not just offering them something general that can be used on all businesses. It's analyzing their business, it's getting to know them as a business owner, and so much more, which helps you do your job even better. My second income stream is my VA jobs or virtual assistant services, you could call them. Now, this is not about me providing services that I want for the people. The people that hire me actually tell me their needs about anything e-commerce, online business, and so on, and I make it happen for them. So for this, I get paid hourly, not per project, and it is a bit different because the clients come to me with what they need instead of me going to them with a service that I'm providing. So to be a virtual assistant, you don't need to be an expert in a certain domain, but to have broad knowledge on more topics. And those topics can be e-commerce, it can be social media, and so on. My third income stream is affiliate marketing. This is an income stream that I'm still looking to grow and I'm still getting into, so I'm pretty new at this. So I didn't get into affiliate marketing until a bit later in my journey, and the reason for that was I didn't really have an audience growth that I could market products to, and I'm just getting into it now because now is when my audience is starting to grow on my website as well as on my YouTube channel. So I've recommended products in the past and I've made money with Amazon affiliate marketing and Sendowl for different types of businesses, but the amount made is not that much so far. But what I'm trying to tell you is that I started affiliate marketing because it is an income stream with the potential of a lot of growth. People are making thousands, tens of thousands out of affiliate marketing every single month, and it is just recommending a product and getting a commission when somebody purchases that product through your link. I talk a little bit more about affiliate marketing and how you can make money with affiliate marketing on your YouTube channel in my How to Make Money Without Google AdSense video on YouTube. So you should watch that next and see what I had to say more about how to make money and how to build multiple income streams when you don't have Google AdSense on your channel yet. To promote different products, you can make how-to blog posts or videos. You can just include them in hauls or whatever your content is about, and just make sure to promote products that you actually believe in and that you actually love and use for yourself. My now fourth income stream is Google AdSense for my YouTube channel and my website. My website's ads are not that big at the moment. I'm making a few dollars here and there monthly, but my Google AdSense on YouTube has been growing, and it is growing every single month. It is an income stream that has a potential of growing a lot, and it is an income stream that most YouTubers rely on. I do consider this income stream pretty important because of its ability to grow once you post a video on YouTube or once you post a blog post on your website and you have ads showing on that page. When people just click on there, they can click on your ads and make you money without you having to do anything else from the moment you posted that video. So when you post a video and it gets views on and on and on every single month, you don't have to do anything else other than film more videos to get more views and more ads on them and so on. But the videos you've already filmed and posted are gonna make you money forever, as far as I know, if they get consistent views every single month. Now, Google AdSense on my channel is pretty new. I made a video of my first YouTube paycheck if you would like to check it out, but it is surely growing with every single month that passes, so I'm going to make updates on this pretty soon. So if you want to stay tuned for that, make sure to subscribe and press that notifications bell. My fifth and final income stream is selling products on Etsy and Amazon. I included both of these in one because I just want to talk a little bit more broadly about them and not get into details. So on Etsy, I have an Etsy printables shop. So people go on my Etsy shop, they find prints that they want to have in their home, in their kids' nurseries or something like that. They pay for them and then they download them in their computers and they print them out for themselves. This one did take a little bit of time to begin with. You have to consistently put out designs, but once you have a good amount of designs there, people find you and they purchase more of them. So it is a great passive income idea as well, even if you are interested per se in that or not. And my Amazon FBA business is taking a little less time to manage than it did in the beginning because I had to list products, just decide what products to purchase and so on. There was a lot of research going on, but right now I just purchase the products that I already have and maybe include a few new ones every single month and just ask the supplier to send them directly to Amazon and so on. So the time to manage it is a little bit lower now than it was before. If you'd like to start an Amazon business, I suggest not investing a ton of money in the beginning because especially if you're new and you haven't taken any courses yet, you're still learning, so better to make small mistakes than big mistakes. I have a video on Amazon FBA and things I've learned when I started, so if you want to watch that, I'll leave the link down below. So there you go, everyone. These are my 5 income streams that I have right now and I'm looking to build a lot more in the future. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for my future videos. I'm planning to do a video with more income streams that I have built and how much money each of them makes me. So there you go, that was it for today. Thank you so much for joining me for this video as well, and I really hope to see you in my next one.